my Leetcode solving section. Okay, so this problem is called a special array with x element greater or equal to x. Okay, and I think this is a very new problem. So you are given an array of non-negative integers and consider special if there exists a number x such that exactly x numbers in the numbers that greater than or equal to x. Okay, I think it's somewhat confusing, but you can understand it by example. So 2 is the answer, right? Because if you choose 2, then you will find that 3 and 5 both larger than greater or equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. By the way, this number must be unique. And the reason is that if there's such number exists, right? Then if you add 1, if such a number exists, right, and then if such a number exists, you call it x, then x plus 1 do not have this property, right? Because x plus 1, because if you have exactly x numbers which is larger than x, right, then x must less x must less than x plus 1. So this property only exists for uniquely number. Okay, and so the code I write is very simple, right? So I first set x to be 0, right, and I let x increase, right, and the upper bound for x is at most the number of lengths. So x less than length. Then I take the numbers which is larger than x, right? So for I in numbers, if I is larger or greater or equal to x, then I count and I write as 1, right? So y just compute the length. So I just count how many numbers which larger than x. If y is equal to x, then I return x, right? Otherwise, the x plus 1. If there is an answer that and this block will return x. And if there's no answer, you will return -1. So basically, so for example, let's take this number 3, right? I start from 0, then I will find that the number which is larger than 0 is 5. So all of them are larger than 0, right? I take 1. If I take x equals to 1, then I will say that 3 of them. If I take x equals to 2, I will see 3 of them. But if I take x equals to 3, then I will see the 3, 4, 4. I will see 3 of them. So this is exactly the answer. Okay, so I mean, I guess everyone knows about it. So it's very easy. Okay, I will see you guys in our videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.